Today we talk about how can you select categories of bots on your uh, CiCi app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is so you invert here, you come to this list here, this of shots, you click here on shots, then it's going to show for you like this. And here we find our categories of bots here. If you want to looking for AI artists here, or writing assistants, or study teacher here, or English teacher and learn or bot market here. So or grammar or coding assistant or should chat here friends here. So you just click on any of this, then here can you here can you send message and ask for your questions. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.